Greetings and welcome to Izu's Diecast videos for my kinda late Japan Historics 2 review. Yes, we are late April, almost May, and I only get to review the first batch of 2018 now. I've been waiting for this for a long time. There was some mixed up with Mattel. My usual provider didn't get his allotment, so I had to find alternative sources for this. Took a long time, but finally it's here at a reasonable price. Actually, I paid what anybody else paid if you got them at Walmart, so that was pretty cool. You're probably already tired of seeing all those other videos about it, but that's going to be my take on the Japan Historics 2. It's the third season of car culture this year with the revamped cards, bigger cards like pop culture, full detail for all the models, but that was something we already saw with the RLC exclusive set that I got before that one. Ironic. And yeah, all good for me. Slight increase in price. I'm okay with it as long as they deliver on the quality of the castings and the quality of the details. And so far, they've delivered. They've more than delivered, I think. So, Japan Historics 2. Japan Historics was the first batch of car culture 2 years ago. Hugely popular. Not my favorite. They delivered some quite astounding sets in the past 2 years. But yeah, it was memorable for a lot of reasons. And it kicked out this old car culture thing. And car culture is right now the only collection from Hot Wheels that I collect. Back to Japan Historics 2. Super car art. Nice models. 2 new models. Nissan L'Oreal and Nissan Skyline. Yes, there's quite a few Nissans here. Actually, it's all Nissan because that soon belonged to Nissan. So, not much Japan, but more a love letter to Nissan, I suppose. Let's have a quick look at all those models and then we'll open them and have a closer look. First with the one that's going to be the most popular, was being the most popular, judging by what happened to the RLC Club this week. Yesterday when we tried to order the convention exclusive pink version of the car, the site crashed. Nobody got in. It was a mess. Anyway, very popular. It has been in the car culture twice already. Well, the last time was with this one, my favorite of the bunch. And before that, there was also this one, who I liked very much. The only thing is, it doesn't have the details front and back, but these two do, and that's cool. Next, another repeat, but I don't mind because I really like what they did with this one. The Mazda RX-3 in orange with G-Ready logos, and for the first time, full detail in the front and the back. The Mazda first appeared like this. It was in the first, was it part of the first Japan Historics? I'm pretty sure it was. I not really like this one. Nice color, but no details. And then later, it came this, an homage to an actual racing car. Okay, this one is undergoing transformation to make it look as close as possible to the original car. So the fenders, the flares, everything. I'm adding my own details. I'm not sure I'm going to do as much a good job as Mattel did, but I'm trying my best. So number 2, pretty cool. Next, we have the Nissan Fairlady Z. This is based on the Junimai's own Fairlady Z, but this time with the new base first time with a metal base and with a new spoiler, front spoiler, a lot more aggressive. I really like what they did with this one. They all seem to sit on the same kind of wheels. And next we have the Nissan Laurel 2000 SGX. It's a new model. It's not a car I knew about before it appeared in the Hot Wheels line, but I have to say I really like it. It's a very cool car, very cool model with those tiny wheels, very Japanese. We also have a silver trim here. Yeah, definitely more premium than car culture used to be, and very nice art. Looking forward to open this one. And last but not least in my book, another new model, the Nissan Skyline C210 or C210, and same thing. A model I'm not familiar with, although I would have guessed this is Skyline with those rear lights. Sitting on very tiny wheels once again, but looking splendid. In that front, yes, definitely yes. So there you have it. I'm going to open them and I'll be right back. So here you have the Datsun Bluebird 510, the ever so popular 510. This is the usual version without the opening hood. I still don't have any version with the opening hood. I'm still waiting for my membership car, and as I said earlier in this video, I tried yesterday to order the Nationals Convention exclusive, but the site crashed, so I don't think anybody managed to get it. I've heard that it has been postponed. Anyway, I really like what they did with this one. Once again, with a hint at the BRE Racing with those two stripes here, ghost stripes. Very nicely done. Simple, the way I like it. Some people have been complaining. I've heard some complaints that Japanese Historics was better because they had all those flashy graphics. Personally, this is the way I like them better, unless it's a race car, of course. Then you need those flashy graphics. Otherwise, yeah, I like my car simples, and they did it. This one has a roll cage, and I really dig what they did here. So that's the first one. Then we have the Mazda RX-3 in this very nice orange. Once again, just the right amount of detail, just where you need them. Nothing flashy, just a tiny bit of decos here, if we can zoom. Here we go. Yeah, a nice model, I really like it. Good job. Next, the Nissan Fairlady Z with a new spoiler. Very aggressive spoiler, I have to say. Very, very nice. Once again, the G-Ready tempos. Those wheels that seem to appear on all but the Mazda. Very Japanese. Taillights. Those are actually Skyline taillights that have been used by Johnny Mai, or that he planned to use on his actual car. Very nice. And they're painted. Nice casting, I always loved it, and this version is even better, I would say. Next we have the Nissan Laurel 2000 SGX, new model, and what a new model it is. I don't know if we're ever going to see this in the main line, or if this is going to be a premium only kind of release, maybe with the RLC at some point. But look at this, very, very nice. Yeah, this is definitely a new Hot Wheels, I guess, at least as far as car culture is concerned. No tempo errors, no, nothing is misaligned. Very cool, very, very cool. And last but not least, the Nissan Skylight C210 with this purple. Once again, not a model I knew about, but I have to say I'm a fan. I'm already a fan. They're all metal, but some of them are surprisingly lightweight, I would say. But pretty cool anyway. And with those tiny wheels, and they're all very, very nicely. So there you have it. A little bit late to the party with this release. The cargo carrier is already well underway in most of the world, with the Eurospeed being the next one, already being released or appearing in some territories. And looking forward to that one, because there will be the new Audi R8 LM. But yeah, at least I got those. And it's a great start for 2018 for car culture, and this year is going to be awesome. There's a lot of cool stuff coming, and I can't wait to have them all. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of the 2018 so far for car culture and Hot Wheels in general. Which one is your favorite? Would you rather have a more extravagant paint, or is this the kind of stuff you like me? And which one is your favorite? Oh, a little problem with the light here. It's okay. It's still visible. You can follow me on Instagram at Eliseo Diecast, and I will be talking to you soon, hopefully with more car culture. Thank you for watching. See you again soon. Bye bye. Hello, it's me again. Another thing I wanted to add before closing this video is that with the new larger card comes also a very, very sturdy blister. Like, this thing is trying to crack it. I don't think it's going to happen. It's a nice change from the previous car culture, and I hope it will continue that way. That's it. Bye bye.